Here at Biggs Harley Davidson, we have a 2015 Road Glide Special in color black denim. This bike comes with lots of upgrades. We have an air cleaner, highway pegs, floorboards, upgraded brake pedal, LED turn signals, upgraded shifter peg, derby cover, levers, handlebars, upgraded exhaust, tour pack, premium audio, cruise control, GPS, and only 3,761 miles. Also comes with a apparel seat. It's in great condition and it's available for test rides 7 days a week here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos.